Three individuals, including the driver, sustained injuries on Sunday following a head-on collision between a tipper truck and a jeep in the Suikabari area along the Khowai Kamalpur National Highway.
According to eyewitness accounts, the incident occurred when an oncoming jeep traveling at a high rate of speed collided head-on with a tipper truck. Reports indicated a larger commercial vehicle allegedly failed to yield the right of way, leading to a severe impact. Local residents immediately rushed to the site to initiate rescue operations and alerted the local authorities. The three injured individuals were subsequently transported to the nearest medical facility for emergency treatment.
আমরা তো আইসি একটু রেসি তাই নিয়ে এখন ব্যাক করবো তা আমরা ব্রেক দিয়ে আইসি তারপরে তাই তো ঢুকতো
আহত হয়েছে কয়জন
আহত কি তা ওই মানে তো পেশেন্ট হয়েছে
Pure Report, Chini Khorang.